Hello everyone, and we go on our educational video series. During today's video, we will modify our IFC dumper example from video number 6 to make it output the required IFC file attributes. For our today's purpose, we will analyze a case for Autodesk Revit files. Say we have a storage of IFC models and we need to classify and group the files in this storage. For this purpose, we need to output the following file attributes: file version, file description, file author, file company, and file name as it is stored in the file itself. We will use our dumper example, IFC dumper example, as the starting point. Usually, the changes encounter the following steps: changes in the project settings, changes in the include directives list, and the changes of the very source code of the application. But today we do not need to perform the first step, as no changes in the project settings are required. Before we modify and launch our demo application, let us open the test IFC file in the text editor to reveal and to see what the proper values of the required attributes are. And we see that file schema is IFC4, description is just description1, company is company, author is user, and file name is test.ifc. Now, let us move to the code modification. First of all, we append 3 additional include directives for header section entities, and for file schema. After this, we're able to remove all the code that goes after the read file call. Next, we disable the progress meter output to make our output more readable. Next, we call the getHeaderSection method to obtain the header section. After this, we're able to access the header entities. We use getEntityByType method and OD header entity type enumeration values to access the header entities. To obtain the values of the header entities, we'll use an auxiliary array. First, we get the value of the IFC schema. Please pay attention that we address the first element in the array. In the same manner, we get the values of the description, organization, and author. For file name, the situation is a little bit different. We've got a dedicated method that returns a single string value. Now, after all the attributes are obtained, let us output them to console. Next, let's build the application. And after the application is successfully built, let's run it. As you see, all the output attributes are exactly the same as we expected. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.